Hello, 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 and welcome back, all my sweet kikis. I am back with another video. Let me get this light. I forgot about it.
I want my cookie. I want my cookie.
You can't have your cookie right now. All right, I'm back. I would like to thank each and everybody for subscribing, following, liking, and commenting on my Facebook page at Sweet Kiki, on TikTok at Sweet Kiki 2, as well as YouTube at Sweet Kiki. Thank you. So today I am going to attempt to make the grinder sandwich. Baby, can you give me a bowl to mix the sandwich up in some tongs? I forgot to get that out. But anyway, I'm going to start out with my sub portion of it, where I will... You got to leave this out of this? Well, can you wash it out and dry it out for me right quick? My husband is tired, but he's helping me though. We're cooking like 3 meals in one today. So the first one will be our grinder sandwich. And I'll tell you about the rest later. Anyway, I got my Pam to saturate my pan to keep my bread from sticking. Break that down. Excuse me. I preheated my oven to 400. And this is some bread that I bought from Walmart. It was only $1. It's French bread. They baked it in the store. So me and my $1 bread is about to get this bread. Y'all, I didn't feel like shredding any cheese. So I only got 3 slices of singles and a little bit of mozzarella left. You be quiet.
How much cheese?
Thank you.
Give me 2 crackers.
So we're gonna cut this baby open. Now I could have been a sandwich artist. I thought about working at Subway several times. But I was like, I would eat more than I probably would. So yeah.
Now we got crackers.
We're gonna cut it right down the middle. I put it in the dishwasher. All right, so I have some Oscar Mayer ham and turkey. Ham and turkey sub kit.
I like your cookie.
Let's see your graham crackers.
Guys,
So we're gonna layer it with this meat first.
guys, I take, guys.
Baby, hey. This is what the ham looks like. Thinly sliced. This is what the turkey looks like. Let's see if I can bring you guys in closer. Right there. I'm stacking it on top of each other, so you know what? I'm gonna mix match it. Turkey ham. That's how I'm gonna do that. So we can get a taste of everything. Right, guys? Right.
Right.
Y'all see that man over there washing them dishes? We gotta put a whole chicken on the smoker for me this morning.
What else did I do?
You mowed the yard. He took a bath.
I love this my food. This mine. This my thing.
No, yeah, it's your food.
My food.
I'm not food.
This my food.
All right. So we got that layered down, y'all. I also have some pepperoni, cornmeal pepperoni that I'm putting on mine. I don't have the big pieces, so I'm gonna have to put 2 each as I spread it across here, y'all. We likes the pepperoni. You can get the pork and chicken one, or you can get the beef. So this particular one is the chicken and the pork mixed. I like both of them. I think I like the chicken and pork better than I do the beef. What you think, babe?
Say right now.
In the pepperoni, you like the chicken and the pork mix or the beef better?
Chicken and pork.
Chicken and the pork, man. Chicken and the pork. Everybody like the chicken and the pork. All right, so y'all see how I layered that? See how I layered the butter? All right. I had my husband opened up the bag and tore up my pepperoni zipper. I had to put it in the zipper bag. So, since I only got a little shredded mozzarella cheese, I only got a corn, I'm gonna put it on here. It's just a little bit. Less. What, babe?
I want the cheese.
I have to give you some when I finish, okay? Got to cut a piece of the block cheese. That's all of that.
I want my cheese.
Okay. You can't have this cheese. It's going on the sandwich. You know what? I should break it in half so I can have some cheese everywhere. Baby, you can't have this cheese. It's all the cheese I have. I'm going to cut you a piece of cheese. Stop whining now. I'm going to cut you some cheese from the other one I said. Okay? I got some block cheese in the refrigerator. I'll give you some of that. I know you like cheese. Everybody don't like cheese, but you like cheese. Cheese, please. All right. At the bottom portion though. So I'm gonna put this in the oven at 400 degrees. And then I'm gonna make the salad. We're gonna try that for about 10 minutes. You waiting on your cheese?
Guys, I don't want all my cheese.
Y'all, excuse me, but my grandson wants some cheese. He's not gonna stop staring me down until I give him a piece of cheese. There you go. You're welcome. We got to keep cheese for the baby. All right, so I have a bowl. That I am going to. I had to look at the time. I didn't put the time on. Then I'm gonna make the grinder salad. So y'all, I like fresh vegetable soup, so I'm gonna put some of that on top of my grinder. But I have lettuce already shredded, pre-cut. My daughter pre-cut this for me. A half a head of lettuce. Hey, baby. That's right. I have, babe. Thank you. I have purple onion sliced already. Onion.
I don't want it.
You want what?
I don't want it.
I'm not gonna let you play on my onion. I gotta pull them apart, y'all. No, go back, because I don't want you to bump into my camera. Thank you. Now, how much onions I put in here? I don't know. I had a half a large onion and probably a fourth of another onion that I had already started cutting. So that's how much I had in this little container. Let's see how that works. It looks like a half onion right there. I also have some green onion bulb. These are the white bulb of the green onion. I'm gonna put some of these in here too. But I'm gonna use some of them for my spinach I'm cooking, sauteing today. I don't know why I keep coughing. I guess the scent of these green onions or something went up in my throat. Never too many onions for me. All right, that should be enough. All right, so I'm gonna season it with some salt. About a tablespoon and a half. I'm sorry, a teaspoon. Some black pepper. Some oregano. And y'all, I only had a few banana peppers, so
I should my mask,
I'm gonna
guys.
use what I got. I was looking for my Italian dressing.
Guys,
Let me get my Italian dressing. I only got a few banana peppers, y'all. Ooh. All right, I got some red wine vinegar. I got some Italian dressing. Have a little mayo, real mayo.
Mama,
What, baby?
come down.
Get down and get it.
Wait. Stay right here. That's your talking.
I had to drain the juice to get that. So I'm gonna use the rest of my banana peppers that I have. I didn't buy any fresh banana peppers, but I thought I had a jar of pickled ones, but just had a few. I use what I got, honey. All right, so I'm gonna drizzle a little of my red wine vinegar. Ooh. Yeah, I only want to use a tablespoon, okay? So that's why I'm dropping it so slowly. So slowly. Because I'm putting Italian dressing in mine. So I don't want it too vinegary. I'm gonna drop some of this mayo. Ooh. And yes, I gotta buy me some more mayo. But it's quite all right. I use what I got. I'm trying to use a half a cup of mayo. Gotta keep shaking it down. All right, this should do. And then I'm gonna drizzle some of this Italian dressing. It doesn't have to be a brand name dressing, salad dressing. When I'm making a salad, pasta salad. So this is a ground salad. And we're gonna mix. And we're gonna mix. I don't like a lot of mayo anyway, so. I seen the other people on TikTok using a submarine salad dressing, but I'm using Italian dressing, which I believe will do just fine. Ooh, it did. I'm gonna put a little bit more oregano and black pepper, and that should be good. Come back here, trying to run away. Okay, and let's mix. I know y'all keep hearing a lot of noise in the background, but that is my daughter upstairs vacuuming her room, and my husband outside blowing up the pool for the baby, for the grandbaby. All right, y'all. So this is what my mix look like. Okay, we're gonna set this to the side. I have sliced up some tomatoes already, so that is waiting for the sandwich. And I'm gonna check on that. Oh, it is toasting just fine, So I'm gonna come back with another video to show you guys how I assemble my grinder sandwich, and then we're gonna get it in and eat. How about that? So it's possibly gonna be it's gonna be 2 separate videos. I haven't downloaded the editor, haven't had time, but I'll get to it. But I'll post both of them. All right, thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.